Hello everyone. Welcome to Jackson. I'm Jackson. That's why the channel is called Jackson. Today is Monday, April 27th, 2015. We're in the back of a truck.
It's creepy.
It's fun.
It's creepy. Don't punch. I'll punch you.
I'm sorry she just punched you. Here we go.
I almost punched them.
Here we are.
Let's go fast.
Yeah, we gotta go fast.
Hyperdrive.
Hyperdrive.
Hyperdrive. They'll hit his people will be like, Okay, that's scary. I'm not gonna hold on now. Let me go hyperdrive. Okay, I'm like.
I think it's more entertaining watching Ava than it is doing anything else. Now there's cars driving up. Loser car. That's a neighbor. Wait, do we know them? Why is Dad waving at people we don't know?
He's creepy. Is he Asian?
Ava, that's a racial
Do you
slur.
like it now, Ava?
Yeah.
That's a bit
Oh,
offensive.
no, I'm just kidding.
Jake was about to jump out.
What's she doing?
It's just around the neighborhood, so it's okay, you know. But like, let's not go on roads like
What if
this,
we
because
went
that
on
would be
a road?
bad.
What did we did?
Mom's staring at me, so I'm waving.
She's creepy. Ah!
Kind of shoot.
My eye just.
So casual. It's actually kind of cold. I wish I brought a jacket.
Oh, it's okay.
You're wearing shorts though.
Ah! I'm wearing a skirt.
Don't show everybody.
What? I got shorts on.
Oh, you have them underneath. Okay, that makes it fine.
I just said hi to that.
Look at the wonderful scenery behind me. Some nice houses.
Yeah! Wow.
I want to go on like
You
a big.
almost
I
fell.
want to go on like a big drop.
A big drop? That would kill us. Oh, now there's construction.
Ooh. I like this
Now it's exciting.
I just part of the ride.
You just what?
I said I like this part of the ride.
Ah.
I have a fart.
Real? No. What the heck?
This is like a Disney World ride.
It's not.
No, it's
Disney World rides are a bit.
not.
Hey, there's an open porta potty. I wanted there to be a dude inside so bad.
Yeah. It's like you gotta
It hurts my butt.
and then you should show the last.
I have a video that I shot in like, I think it was this time last year. That's titled the journey for the porta potty, and it was about how we made the urinator. And we like basically vlogged our entire making of that video. I need to edit that really
I wish I had the
This clip has been going on straight for about 3 minutes, a little bit more, 3 minutes, but you
This
know.
is not a truck ride.
Have you been showing me a bunch of times?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get out.
Look at that house. That's ugly. Ugly house.
I guess I like this the whole ride.
Oh, what? Stop! Just stop randomly.
Oh!
This is a fun ride.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, the reason we have a truck, we never explained this. Dad's car broke down on the way to work,
Yeah,
so we had to borrow Papa's truck.
yeah. It's so cool.
Did you really just do that to people? Like you're a terrible person.
Oh, we're almost there.
Almost where? Oh, we're going back home?
I want to say hi to Rick.
Brick.
Gabaga.
What are you trying to do? What is wrong with you people? In other news, yes, I got a haircut.
I said up.
We're going fast.
Yay!
Jake's about to die. He's about to fly out of the car. I'm about to drop my phone and it's gonna just like
And I
shatter.
would catch it.
You wouldn't?
Yeah, it would just fly past me and I would just go
Yeah. Let me just let go of it right
You
now.
just drove.
with my quick hands. No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Yeah.
Yeah. Stop.
Yeah, I think I'm actually gonna. I've been filming this entire time. Why not just film the entire ride because we're almost home anyway.
Well,
We're approaching 5 minutes.
Oh.
Ah.
This is like the longest vlog ever.
The longest vlog ever was like 11 minutes or 12 minutes. No, Annie was like, Annie was a long. I don't know how long Annie was, but it was pretty long. Holy
Can I sit
crap!
on this? Can I sit
I'm
on
cold.
this? Can I sit on this?
No, that's a wheel. I can see Dad. What?
You okay? You alright? Okay. Well, we're back home, so that was quite a ride. Right, guys?
Yeah!
Let me do it. Bullshit.
Don't fall. Don't fall.
What are you talking about?
Thought you were gonna fall.
If he
Look
backs
behind
up-
you. If he backs up at all, you just flip out, fall out there. Yeah, that's
Can we
it.
go again?
There's our wonderful ride.
No, that was fun.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check that next time for some more stuff right on Jack.
There we
See
go.
you guys then. That was